That's right. Now I'm gonna tell you why the Southern economy is the best. You can live in Virginia, North or South Carolina, Maryland, or Georgia.
The plantation owner had a big property of land for farming and were very wealthy, owned slaves. They wouldn't go out and check on the slaves. The overseer did that.
Slaves couldn't own land and had to work all their life and were very poor.
They had very big plantations with slaves. They had a lot of forest products because of the area of wood. There's a lot of wood. Tobacco was a very good cash crop that they sold a lot.
The Mid-Atlantic traded livestock and grains with the Southerns. The New England traded fish, naval materials, and metals, tools, and equipment.
It is humid and it was east of the Appalachian Mountains and had very fertile farmlands.
Come to the south, you can pursue Church of